Solid tires with chains are commonly used in various industrial applications, including steel industries, scrap recycling, and furnace plants. Here are some specific scenarios where solid tires with chains might be employed. Steel industries, material handling equipment. Solid tires with chains are often used on forklifts and other material handling equipment in steel industries. These tires provide stability and durability, crucial for carrying heavy loads of steel products or raw materials. Scrap recycling. Shredders and crushers. In scrap recycling facilities, where heavy machinery is used to process and shred metal scrap, solid tires with chains can be beneficial. They provide traction and durability in challenging environments, especially when moving over piles of metal. Furnace plants. Material. Transport furnace plants often involve the movement of raw materials and finished products within the facility. Solid tires with chains are suitable for vehicles and equipment used in these operations, ensuring reliable traction and durability even in high-temperature environments. Mining and quarrying. Heavy-duty vehicles. In industries related to mining and quarrying, where large vehicles are used to transport heavy loads of materials, solid tires with chains can be employed to enhance traction and stability, especially in challenging terrains. Advantages of wheel loader solid tires: puncture resistance, durability, low maintenance, increased stability cost, effective consistent performance, environmental resistance. Suitable wheel loader brands: JCB, Volvo, John Deere, Caterpillar, Komatsu, Case, Terex, Wacker-Neuson, Hyundai, New Holland, Doosan, Takeuchi, and etc.